Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Usibongile. She is sleeping, and then she wakes up, she checks the time, she takes her phone from underneath her pillow, she checks the time, and she realizes too late, girl. So Usibongile jumps out of bed. She's like, how am I late, Zama, late, and I'm safundanga. Uzama's like, Hey, uthini Sibongile? That time Uzama is sleeping. Uphethe ibhabhalaza, guys. Remember the previous day they went to some party. Usibongile is like, how am I? Okay. Kulungile Sibongile. Qala ugeze. Bese ke as she's talking to herself kanjalo, guys, that Amachichi group walks into their room. Those girls, Amachichi and the leader, they walk into the room. So the leader girl of that group, she's like, he. How Sibongile? Hayi, wow Ntombi, wow, awugezile ngani Sibongile? Shuthi wena nje ukhetha abafana, then coming we practice yethu. Usibongile is like, khabo akunjalo, like abafana bani, like I'm not that type of person of like bringing boys over or whatever you thinking. Then uGal is like, okay, like if usho kanjalo, like la endlini, like yini yonke lena, like why kunje la endlini? Kunjani mokunje? Hayi bo Sibongile, hayi bo. Imisebenzi yabafana lena Sibongile. Usibongile is like, cha bo, akukho njalo Zanele. UZanele is like, weSibongile, uyazi ukuthi abafana balethani? Yes, Sibongile. As she's speaking like that, Uzama gets out of the bed. Uzama's like, hayi, hayi bo, Sasha yini yabo detective ekuseni kangaka. Anihambeni niyoyenza kwenye indawo lento eniyenzayo. Sifuna ukulala thina, hayi bo. And then uZanele, get the group leader of Amachichi group, she looks at Usibongile, she's like, hayi Ntombi. Then she says to her group members, hey, asambeni mantombazane. And then they leave. Uzama's like, hayi suka, bazobanga umsindo ekuseni kangaka. Then Usibongile standing there, guys, Usibongile yangibhora, like, why engazikhulumeli? Usibongile is like, ngiyabonga Zama. Uzama's like, ayakhululeka my F, uphethe mina ke. And she goes back to sleep, and then it just ends like that. That's no gendo Zanele wakhona uyadelela. Imagine walking into ikamera labantu, like, who do you think you are? Commander? Anyway, next thing that we see uWenzeni, uKwenzo, Benovusi, they are sitting kwaDlamini mansion and they are having a conversation. uWenzeni is like, njengoba nazi-ke ukuthi ugogo uzobe celebrate ibirthday yakhe, she's turning 70 years old. Nakhu-ke ebengicabangile Vusi, she opens up i-diary yakhe. It looks like she wrote down plans. She gives uVusi the book. uVusi reads over the notes that uWenzeni supposedly wrote down. So Vusi's like, how Wenzeni? Ikhekhe linamakhandlela awu-70. Ukwenza vele ahlekele phansi. Whereas then she then says, okay ke mhlampe ke nginehaba ke singathenga ke ikhandlela elibhale u7 no0 instead of buying 70 candles. And then ulokhuzana ke uVusi is like, yeah, kodwa ke sonke siyazi ukuthi uma like ngeke ayithande lento, so angazi ukuthi soyenza kanjani. Wenzeni then says ukuthi hayi bo singaya beach ngoba vele ushilo ukuthi ukudala wagcina ukuya elwandle. And then uWenzo's like, yeah, sure, like, so everything is sorted. And then uWenzeni is like, yeah, sorted, ngiyabonga bhuti wami. And then she hugs uWenzo. So uWenzo's like, okay, so that's sorted, right? uWenzeni is like, yeah. uWenzo's like, okay, ke cool. Mina ke maybe, just maybe ngizonijoyina later on a beach. And then uWenzeni is like, all right. uWenzo says, okay, ngizonibona bhuti shopping ngizokubona. He gets up, he walks out. uVusi then says, mina cala ningangifaki mina. Yabana into nje enento yokubetray uma ngaphakathi, cala ningangifaki nje. uWenzeni is like, hawu kahle bo Vusi. Ugogo nje lona manje ufuna ukuthi abe yedwa nje phela, like on her birthday. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uKwenzo. He is wearing a suit. He is in his apartment. uNjengaya is there and uVusi is there. They are carrying drinks. Remember, guys, uKwenzo's divorce is finalized, so I'm guessing they are having some sort of mini celebration for that. So uKwenzo's like, yazi angifuni ukuphamba amanga. bengizitshela ukuthi ukudivosa uNomalanga uzongenza ngibe happy, kodwa I was wrong all along. UVusi then says kanti-ke into engifuna ukuthi uyazi mfana wakithi, indlela ozizwa ngayo it's normal. Phela ayikho indoda eshadela ukudivosa. Then uNjengaye is like kanti-ke nomshado wakho it was not built on a good foundation. Zisuka nje. Lapho-ke nami ngiyazisola ngendlela engenza ngayo ndodana ukuthi ngikuphoqe ushade uNomalanga. UVusi like baba ngiyacela nje cela ukuthi lelo gama singaphinde siliphathe la ekhaya. UNjengaye then says hey leya ntombazana yasenza iyiphukuphuku sonke nje ukwenza kodwa baba isiphukuphuku esikhulu yimina la. Like cabanga nje baba uNomalanga bengilala naye like embhedeni owodwa sonke lesi sikhathi. Uqonda ukuthi bengingamboni sonke lesi sikhathi. And then uNjengaye says ukuthi akulona iphutha lakho ndodana. Ukwenza like iphutha lami baba. Yimina owathatha uNomalanga ngamshada. Bheka kunjani mokunje? Ama-divorce ngimncane kangaka baba. UVusi like kwenza. Sonke siyawenza amaphutha ndoda. And then ukwenza then says, yazi Vusi, ngiyazi mina noNomalanga we had our differences kodwa mfethu bengizimisela ukuthi ngispend impilo yami yonke naye. Then uNjengaye zakhuleka ndodana ukuzodlula yizwa ngami nje. UVusi then says so manje uSibongile usazosijoyina later on. Ukwenza then says kwazi bani. Then uVusi is like yeah. Then ukwenza is like I mean cha uSibongile ubhizi esikolweni. And then uVusi is like oh okay, and then the scene ends like that. They just toast to one another. Guys, I don't understand. I've never been through a divorce, but it's just kind of confusing for me because I know people say once the divorce is finalized, it's a different type of pain that you go through. Like how ukwenza is just saying ukuthi mina noNomalanga, maybe he's not mourning uNomalanga, maybe he's mourning the plans and the dreams that he had with her. But it's strange for me ukuthi he's mourning that when uSibongile is in the picture, or maybe he's feeling it even more because uSibongile is showing him ama-flames angazi. But I just found it weird. But listen, uKwenzo is not in a good state ever since this divorce has been finalized. I get next scene we see uWenzeni. She is at eBhishi, guys. She is holding isandla saNengelosi. UNengelosi, she's holding uNengelosi. UNengelosi uvale amehlo laphayana. And then uWenzeni is like, okay, fine, you can open your eyes now. uNengelosi opens her eyes, and then uWenzeni is like, happy birthday. uWenzeni, guys, laphayana eBhishi, she had a cute setup for ugogo wakhe for her 70th birthday celebration. uNengelosi is like, hayi bo nkosi yami lapho kwami konke lokhu. uWenzeni is like, yes gogo. And then uNengelosi is like, ha mntanami kodwa yini le engaka engayenza to deserve all of this. uWenzeni is like, khuleka gogo ungahlala phansi, angithi indodakazi yakho eyakutholela thina, so nje we are supposed to be a blessing to you. Then uNengelosi is like, hawu ngiyabonga mzukulu wami. uWenzeni is like, khuleka gogo, bese fikile uKwenzo uzobona nje kusazoba mnandi lana. uNengelosi is like, hawu uKwenzo uza lana naye. And then uKwenzo is like, uWenzeni, I mean. She then says ukuthi awuzofika gogo, uzofika uKwenzo. uNengelosi then says ngiyathemba ukuthi khona iy'phuzo zikagogo-ke lana. Then kuhlekwe guys. uWenzeni is like, zikhona khuleka gogo busazoba mnandi nje. Ugogo then says, oh bakithi uthi kukhona nje okudlula lokhu, asambe-ke mntanami siyofaka iy'nyawo emanzini before afike uKwenzo sithathe ney'thombe. Then they get up, guys. It was so nice, guys, the way uWenzeni is just going all out for a Grammy. They are taking pictures, they're enjoying themselves, you guys. Next scene, girl, we see uSibongile. She's ekamereni lakhe. You can see ukuthi ustressa izinto zakhe, and she's trying uZama is sleeping in her bed. uZama usaphethwe ibhabhalaza. uSibongile goes and sits next to uZama. So uZama's like, yini manje? Oh, hey mngani, like angifuni ungasho kodwa oh yazi ubukeka west unalento engizizwa yona manje, wenze njani? uSibongile is like, yazi I feel like a failure Zama. I stared at the question paper. Ngilindele ukuthi kuzoqhamuka mhlambi impendulo kodwa lutho. Uhaf wonke Zama wempendulo like bengingawazi. Uzama zakhe hawu, oh, shuthi if you did not know uhafu nomunye uhafu kusho ukuthi you knew it. So u-50% umshayile mnganami. Usibongile zakhe Zama, awuyeke ukudlala kancane nje. Uzama zakhe mngani, angazi ukuthi ufuna ngithini. Yini enye engizoyisho mngani. Usibongile zakhe Zama. Bongamele ukuthi ngemjupuzweni. Bokumele ukuthi ngisale ngifunde. Uzama zakhe hayi, oh, yazi sibaningi kanjani esifeyila ama-test mngani. You need to stop being hard on yourself. Usibongile then says Zama, awungizwa nje. Angikwazi mina ukufeyila nje. Bengifeyila lento izongilimaza. Izongilimaza emoyeni nasemfundweni zami. Uzama then says mngani, oh, ayingeke. Like ayikho deep lento. When uyenza ukuthi ibe deep than what it is mngani. Iva sithi njalo, oh, one moment uyapasa, the next uyafeyila. Like uzokusiza nje ukuthi ujwayele, oh, the sooner the better, yabo. Usibongile just looks away and then Uzama then says, hey mngani, ngathi ngadla into ebabayo nje. Usibongile is like, yazini, I might as well cook spiced food ngoba lento ikhulumayo nje. Then Uzama is like, how my apples ongenzela? Usibongile is like, hayi ongiyeke wena. She gets up and then Uzama is like, namanzi abandayo. Oh, ano ice, cela ungilethele wona. Then the scene ends like that. Shame guys, Usibongile uyagowisha in all areas. Umjono, isikolo, ama-TT group lesson kuningi nje. Next scene we see uwenzeni benengelosi there uwenzeni benonengelosi at the beach. They are laughing, the guys having a nice time. Uwenzeni notices ukuthi uPhetheni is coming and she's like, yo, here comes danger. Unengelosi is like, yekela kumina. Next thing uPhetheni is there. Uwenzeni is like, ma ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ma. uPhetheni just looks at Uwenzeni and she's like, anjani amanzi? Yazi ngiyakhumbula ngiqala ukuze lwandle nje, I never wanted to leave. Uwenzeni benenongelosi babhekane because they surprised. They expected uPhetheni ukuthi athethe nje. Then Uwenzeni is like, bengaqeda kusho kanjani ugogo? uPhetheni then says, yeah, khona into ekhoyo nje ngokuba lana ikwehlisa umoya nje. And then she looks at Unengelosi, she's like, happy birthday, and she gives her a gift. Yeah, I was so surprised. I'm like, is uPhetheni having a change of heart so soon? Unengelosi is like, hawu ngiyabonga mntanami. Uwenzeni is like, hayi bo ma, I thought uzobudiniwe kodwa nje like. And then uPhetheni says, wewe, bengicela ukuthi usinike isikhathi sinogogo wakho. And then Uwenzeni walks away and that scene just ends like that. Next scene we see uSibongile. She is at Erezi. She's trying to study uhleli ngaphandle, and this is when uBenzo comes along. So uBenzo comes and he sits ebhenchini and then he says sawubona. uSibongile then says sawubona Kwenzo. Then uBenzo's like, ngabe ngithole ngesikhathi esibi. uSibongile says, no, yikuthi nje I wasn't expecting to see you and le insuku nje ngimatasa nje. uKwenzo is like, oh yeah, ngiyabona. Then he looks at uSibongile and it's uSibongile, she bought a new wig. He looks at the wig and then uSibongile, she sees that he's looking at the wig and then she says ucabangani, touching, and then she touches her hair ukuthi ucabangani ngewig. Then uKwenzo's like, ihlukile, that's for sure. Kodwa I guess ngizoyijwayela as time goes on. Hayibo, like, is that, like, he did not even compliment her, you guys. He's just saying ihlukile, like, ihlukile in a good or bad way, Kwenzo, like, but anyway, uSibongile just says, yazi Kwenzo ngiyaxolisa ngokuvele ngikulathaze nje kanjalo. uZama uvele wangidonsa and she took me to a party. uKwenzo lapho uZama usachomene noZama ubukhala ngaye izono lokhu. And then uSibongile just looks away. Then uKwenzo says ngiyaxolisa, it's none of my business anyway. uSibongile says ukuthi ayikho inkinga, wena unjani? uKwenzo is like, yo uzoqalaphi nje? Like, well, I just finalized the divorce and number 2 ugogo besizitshela ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni, apparently uyaphila. uSibongile is like imake awuqale phansi one by one nje. Uqale wathi indaba ye-divorce yakho. As she's speaking like that, uZanele, the group leader of Amachichi, wathi she comes around. She's like, hawu Sibongile, uhleli lana ubhekene nomfana emehlweni awazi ukuthi sine-rehearsal that you're supposed to go to. Sukuma sambe Sibongile. Hayibo, uSibongile just looks at her. Uwenze looks at uZanele. And then uZanele is like, Sibongile, sizoba late practice. Sukuma sihambe. Yo guys, uSibongile, she just packs in what desire, okay? uSibongile is like, wenza ngiyaxolisa. Uwenza is like, hayibo Sibongile, uzohamba nje kanjalo uyangishiya. uSibongile sathi ngiyaxolisa sizokhuluma. uZanele then says kuSibongile, "Cala usheshe nje bandla Sibongile, like late." And then they leave uWenzo like that. uSibongile, guys, I was so disappointed in what she did. Like kusho ukuthi uSibongile usaba abantu ukuthi bazothini over than how her partner feels. Yo guys, anyway, get back to the scene. Elwandle uNengelosi and uPhetheni are having a conversation. So uPhetheni then says ufunani enganini zami. Qala ukhulume nje iqiniso ungangikhohlisi nje. Then uNengelosi says, Phetheni, ndifuna uchitha isikhathi sami sokugcina nezizukulu zami. Like yikho nje lokho nje. uPhetheni is like, indaba manje wakhetha lesi sikhathi, like why now? Then uNengelosi says, mhlampe sesifikile isikhathi. Uyazi mntanami, noma ungacabangani, ngiyathanda ukuba nezizukulu zami. Bayangijabulisa nje. Phetheni, ingane zakho zinhle, zilungile futhi, especially uKwenzo, unenhliziyo enhle. uPhetheni then says, yeah, sizamile ubanikeza isikhathi sethu. Sizamile ubanikeza isikhathi sethu sonke nothando. uNengelosi is like, ayi kuyabonakala. You should be proud of yourself. You should be proud of your children, mntanami. uPhetheni then says ukuthi, uhloseni ma? Le game yakho izogcina kuphi, izophelelaphi? And then uNengelosi says ukuthi, sengiguge kangaka kodwa Phetheni, do you really think I have time to be playing games? Uyazi mntanami, ukuhamba kwadadewenu iwele lakho, it had a huge impact on my life. Sengizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngizame ukugcwalisa lesi sikhala sakhe because akasekho. Kodwa-ke sengiyabona ukuthi manje-ke abazukulu bami, they revive my life. Sazi ngani mntanami, mhlawumbe uThixo nje usinikeze elinye ithuba ukuthi sikwazi ukuthelelana amanzi. Ngiyakuthanda mntanami, ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke nabazukulu bami. Then that scene ends like that. Asazi guys, if uNengel, it looks like she really loves her grandchildren, but I do feel like there's something nje about uNengelosi that is a bit petty, or she's those type of mothers that something nje, and I feel like we will find out sooner or later. Last scene ke guys, we see uKwenzo usemjubuzeni nomnganakhe uNdile. Ayibo, they at some groove place kunamantombazana umculo ngalana. uNdile is like, ayibo boy, like you're supposed to be dancing ematafuleni lana. Buka nje zonke iy'ngane zibheke wena lana. And you can see uKwenzo ukuthi akekho right. He's not in the mood to even be in such an environment. uKwenzo then says, Ndile, I'm mfethu, like I'm not supposed to be here. uNdile then says, hayibo, usuhlula upretenda nje i-hour elilodwa nje mfethu. Hayibo, uyazi mina ngishiye iflow yami ngithi ngizojabulisa wena as umnganami. Hayi, ungasimosheli vibe wena Kwenzo. uKwenzo is like, all right, ufunani ke, ufunani? uNdile is like, ngifuna i-vibe boy, waza ne-vibe. And then uKwenzo is like, all right ke, like now amantombazana Ndile uyakhala, like iyakhala imboma, you have ama-drinks mfethu, ngikuyadele nje ngihambe ngiye ekhaya. uNdile then says, kanti iphathe yabani lana? Because size lana sizo-celebrate wena lana, sizo-celebrate nawe lana. uKwenzo at this point, he's just irritated. Like you can see which shame guys, he doesn't want to be here. uKwenzo is like, Ndile, understand the one thing mfethu. ngathi uyakhohlwa nje, I just divorced my wife. Manje wena ufuna ukuthi ngithatha amantombazane elokuzeni emjayivweni. Like, hi boy, I just literally got divorced. Undile's like, boy, iyona nto ezokusiza leyo. Uyabona ukuthi like akhona amantombazana like le nto izokusiza ukuthi ukhohlwe nangosibongile nje. Idla amantombazana, idla utshwala lana. Yo, Undile, guys, is such a bad influence. Ukwenza that ngiyabona ukuthi like you still want her vibe. Na ige imali, he takes out money, he puts it on the table. He's like, thengela labantu bakho something to drink or whatever. Mina mfethu ngiyahamba. Undile's like, how uyahamba nje kanjani ukwenza that ngiyahamba mina. Then Undile's like, hayi vaya ke. And then he just leaves like that. I'm like, Undile, guys, he is such a bad influence. He's making it seem as if he's there for Wenzo. How are you there for Wenzo and Wenzo's telling you what he doesn't want this? He doesn't need this right now. Wenzo just needs someone who's going to comfort him, guys, and listen to him. And no one is in his corner, guys. Usbongile, the one person that maybe could have been comforting him, she is nowhere to be found. Anyway, guys, let's park it there because it looks like the relationship is Bongile no Gwenzo. Maybe they just need to take a break. Angazi, you guys. But anyway, that is the recap. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.